I am Dr. Shailesh Nisal, practicing plastic reconstructive and cosmetic surgery since the last more than 25 years. I was trained in the same from Mumbai and later on visited Australia and the United States to learn more tricks, gain more experience with various cosmetic surgical procedures. Precautions to be taken after facial plastic surgery. One important component of this surgery is that the swelling takes about 3 months to completely reduce. So the initial swelling reduces in about 7 to 8 days, after which you can go back to work. So the downtime is not 3 months. But then for the final result to become clear, it takes that much longer because our tissues become soft, achieve an equilibrium after that duration. Till that time, you have to protect face from direct exposure to sun rays. In some procedures, massages are to be avoided, like after fat injections. After fat injections, you don't do massages. We specifically tell people not to do that. But against that, wherever there is a scar, massage has to be done by using a specific cream which results in that scar fading. Most important is there should be no pressure, no injury over the part which has been operated. Like after a rhinoplasty or a genioplasty, the person cannot sleep on their tummy. They cannot sleep prone, which will give untoward pressure over the operated part. In fact, for a duration, they can't even wear specs after a rhinoplasty. We advise them to go for contact lenses before the procedure because the pressure and the weight of the specs can alter the skeleton, the changed skeleton of the nose. In certain parts, applying a pressure garment for a specified duration, like during the night, is very useful in giving a better contour and a nice looking body part.